I did it and I didn't even get scared at all. I'm really proud of myself. But it was cold, wasn't it, baby? It was cold. Alright, so I decided last night that I am going to be, it's supposed to rain here today at some point. Whenever it starts raining, I'm gonna leave and go to Georgia, back to North Georgia. I would 100% come here again. I feel like I'm in Washington. I wish it could show, like, it looks so much greener in person. I feel like I'm like in Twilight. I will say I'm probably only gonna stay here for the day because there's no service here and it took like 40 minutes to go down a dirt road to get here and I just don't feel safe. This is crazy, it's cold though. That this is by far the most beautiful place I've ever been to. Like, I've been saving pictures of places that look like this for years, but I've never actually seen it until now. Like, my hat's like in the way. I'm gonna turn it backwards so I can actually see. It's crazy. Right after I start my fire and it starts raining. Nova, what's happening? Oh, you scared me, you tripped me out. Ooh, the sun's coming out. Yeah, good time. Oh my, are you allergic to the woods? Look at this moss. What? What? Don't jump on me! Don't jump on me! You're dirty! You're dirty! You're dirty! You're dirty! You're dirty! Stop! 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 That one. And she lost it already. How did you lose it? I can see it from here. You're not very smart. See, I'm just a little slow. Yeah. Well, the rain already burned out my fire. It's still there a little bit. There's a little bit of flame, but bad timing on my part. Really bad timing. Oh my god, the freaking smoke from the fire won't stop going in my eyes. Quit. Ow! It's making me cry. I'm gonna get up quick. I'm about to stomp it. Look. Look, it's coming for me again, even after I came and sat in the car. Go away. I think I'm just gonna sit here for a bit and eat. And then I need to find a place to get service so I can let people know that I'm not dead. So I might have to leave. I told everybody that I would have service the whole time, not thinking that this place wouldn't have service, and I don't want people to worry about me. You want another chip? Oh. Okay, I love the woods. It's like my happy place, 100%. Love being in the woods. But this place is like so out there. I feel like I'm gonna look up that hill and see like a killer fairy or Sasquatch. Some urban legend creature is gonna come kill me. That's how I feel. I realized what it was. I feel like either the lady in white or like a skinwalker is gonna come get me. Wish me luck. Hopefully I don't get lost. If you never see this video, that's why. But I'm gonna trust my gut even though it may be stupid and not stay here. So I'm about to leave. Bye-bye. It's probably the most beautiful campsite I've ever seen, but gotta trust her. I gotta. Okay, last thing I want to say. I did have a gut feeling telling me to leave, but I don't know if that was fear talking, telling me that I was just scared because I do get scared pretty easily, or what. But I did not want to stay and find out what that feeling was. I just wanted to explain it a little bit more so it wasn't just like, ooh, I got creeped out. Like, I just felt weird. Okay, so I'm finally on my way back home. The car's a mess. Do not look at that. I ended up being able to stay at this cabin in North Georgia thanks to Uncle Seth. Thank you, Seth, so much. It was amazing. I didn't record while I was there. I used it more as like a peaceful end to the trip, I guess. And I didn't really do much camping type stuff while I was there. But yeah, I'm on my way home. Thank you so much for watching this video. I had a lot of fun making it, and I'm really glad I went. This trip it definitely like opened my eyes to how much I can really do by myself, and that I can do it if I really put my mind to it. And I hope you guys had fun watching the video. So like it if you like it, subscribe if you want to see more, and comment, let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, because this is a little different than what I've been doing. But if you're interested, let me know, please. Have a great day. Love you all. Goodbye.